The graphs of f of x, boom, and g of x, boom, are showed in the figure above. Evaluate f of g of 3. Now, this can be written as f of g of 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out what g of 3 is, and then once I have a number, I can find f of whatever that is. So according to this, g of 3, there's 3. G of 3 appears to be negative 3. So g of 3 is negative 3. So f of g of 3 is the same as f of negative 3, like so. So let's go to f. Let's go to negative 3. F of negative 3 appears to be 4. D is my answer. Ooh, wasn't that nice?